Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel!
Today in our YouTube channel, we're going to be doing something a little different. Today, we're building a Lego set. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and this is the Lego Movie 2.
Yeah, it's
Rex's Rex-treme Offroader, and it's 236 pieces.
And it's ages 7 plus something. Who cares? And it's a 3-in-1 right here. It's kind of cool, and it has Emmett and Rex.
Yeah, so it's 3-in-1, so you can build like 3 different vehicles with the dinosaur, which is pretty cool. And then it comes with Emmett and Rex as a character.
Yes, and here in the back we have the 3-in-1 sets and the regular sets. So in the regular set that we have in the front here, there's 3 little knobs you can move, which can move the guns right here. And this is a 3-in-1 set, I think. And it has a dinosaur with a gear of a vehicle because it has tires. Really cool. And it has a little monster. I think that's a light that Emmett was holding. And I think that's a 3-in-1 gear also. And Emmett has his happy face and his light again. And he has a gear on top of him. And Rex has a weapon here, right there.
Okay.
Alright, so I got scissors here.
So now we're gonna open it up and see what's inside.
I'll open this side and you can open the other.
You can just open it from inside.
You got one side.
Okay, so you can just jump it out and we can tell them what's in there.
Alright, so there's no number on this, so it's kind of weird, but we got the menus in another bag.
We got some stickers here.
We got another menu. Maybe it's for a 3-in-1 set.
Yeah, that's probably for the other ways of building it.
Here's extra pieces for a dinosaur.
Okay.
And okay. Now we got a big set. It's kind of weird that it doesn't have numbers. And that's it.
All right. So let's get building.
Let's get building.
Wait, go that way. so we finished.
Yep, here it is, the full set. Rex's Rex-treme Offroader. It's very cool. Yep.
So now we're gonna build the characters really quick.
Yes, we'll show you what to are around it after we build the characters. Rex's hair looks cool.
Okay.
I got Rex.
So here's Emmett.
And here's Rex with a coffee mug. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Let's show you.
And these are just some extra pieces that we have.
Yeah. Now let's show you a tour of the Offroader. So this is a full tour of our Offroader sets. And so today we got here, this can move, very cool. And the rest of it can move as well. We got some wheels here, some big dirt tires, I guess. And we got Emmett and Rex here driving it. Looks like Emmett is fully driving it because the wheel's there. And we have an extra seat here for I don't know what, but yeah. And there's a suitcase in there if you guys can see it. And you see these guns here? You can move them by these little knobs down here in the bottom. They don't move that much, but it's still cool though. You can put studs in here and you can shoot them out. But be careful, you might lose some studs. And here's the bottom. And yeah, and let me show you the dinosaur with its gear and stuff. And here's a stud shooter, and the gear is really cool though. And I'm gonna set this aside. Now time for the little monster. Its eyes is kind of cute though, but even though monsters are evil, you know, but its platform where it stands on is kind of cool. And here's a little piece right here. And its design, it's kind of cool. And yeah, that's a full tour of our set.
So,
we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
yeah, and thank you for watching. And we know that this is kind of different from what we usually do because we did Lego. And we know we haven't posted in a long time. So we came back posting with our chopped video, which was very fun to make. And hopefully we'll make more videos like that because that was really fun.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll try to post more videos soon.
Yeah, more often. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Hope you enjoy and see you next time. Thanks for watching.